If my grandpa saw this speed, he'd throw his cane away and leave the field. The technology is practically tickling the tree to harvest it. The interlocking paving stone guillotine uses hydraulic or mechanical leverage to cut stones quickly, cleanly, and without dust, making them ready for flawless installation. The way the mixture thickens, enters the mold, and transforms into tiny spheres with rotating cylinders is truly an engineering marvel.
What?
It learns once from the master and repeats it flawlessly thousands of times.
3, go to start.
Okay.
Yes, come here.
This giant machine, designed to maximize workplace safety, clears all branches without endangering traffic, saving valuable time in the process. While my kitchen knife struggles just to slice a tomato, this machine makes metal dance within seconds. At this speed, making a shock absorber spring in just seconds is pure show. I can almost smell that fresh wood shaving scent from here as the chips fly. This commercial slicing machine takes presentation quality to the next level. This power is designed to carry heavy agricultural loads, even under the toughest conditions. From heavy foam application to high-pressure rinsing, every stage is automatic and programmable. A must-have for the lumber and paper industry, the automatic debarking system. A journey from the food industry to woodworking and metalworking. Every machine you see in this video clearly shows how it transforms a product's entire production process from start to finish. Listen to the sound to feel the power of this machine. The most radical solution for stubborn roots in your yard. Your neighbors might complain about the noise, but those roots will never come back. The best sound of the day and the fastest working machine. Every time I look at this machine, I feel motivated. From raw logs to fabric packaging, how do these machines do everything so flawlessly? This is the process behind your favorite items and building materials. Watch how machines transform our lives. The second sugar production footage in this video. The first video was filmed in India, while this one was filmed in China. What do you think is the most noticeable difference between the two videos? Share your thoughts in the comments. We're ending the video with these scenes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos for more content. See you next time.